Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you make a or how can you create a group on your Snapchat, or how can you start a group chat on Snapchat. So in this tutorial I am going to show that step by step. So let's get started our video. So guys, first of all you need to launch on your Snapchat application, and after that you need to tap on the top right corner your profile icon. Here you can see, or your Bitmoji icon. And after that, what should you do? If you want to create a group on Snapchat, then what should you do? Just otherwise you can list back and then tap on this messages icon, and then here you can see this is your message is showing here. So for the create new group, for tap on this new messages icon here, and after that there have a option new group. There you can see a option new group, so just tap it, and then there you can see add up to 31 people to group. So if you want to add 31, just mark the person from here. Just mark the person. After that there have a option chat with group. Just tap on this, and if you want to select the name, you can select name for group my Snapchat group. I name my Snapchat group name. Okay, done it, and then hit the chat with group option. That's it. Now your Snapchat group already created. So guys, in this way you can create a Snapchat group on Snapchat. So guys, hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.